In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new files in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know how to start a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation, give it a clear name, keep it organized in Drive, and share it with the right people for smooth collaboration. First, open Google Drive and sign in with your Google Workspace account. Drive is your central hub, and everything you create will live here. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click the plus new button. This opens a menu with options for different file types. From this menu, choose the kind of file you want to create. Google Docs is ideal for writing and reports, Google Sheets handles spreadsheets and data, and Google Slides is great for presentations. You can also start Google Forms for surveys and quizzes, Google Drawings for diagrams and simple graphics, Google Sites for lightweight websites, and Google Keep for quick notes. Pick the tool that best matches your task so you're productive from the start. Let's create a Google Docs file. Click plus new, select Google Docs, then choose either a blank document or start from a template. Templates can save time by giving you a pre-built structure for things like resumes, proposals, or meeting notes. Your new document opens automatically in a new tab so you can begin typing right away. Next, a Google Sheets file. Click plus new, choose Google Sheets, and pick either a blank spreadsheet or a template. Templates can help you jumpstart budgets, schedules, and trackers with ready-made formatting and formulas. For a presentation, click plus new, select Google Slides, and choose a blank presentation or a template. Using a template is a quick way to get consistent fonts, colors, and layouts so your slides look cohesive from the first slide. As soon as your file opens, rename it so it's easy to find later. At the top left, click the default file name, type your preferred title, and press enter. Google saves changes automatically so you never have to worry about losing work. To keep Drive organized, you can move your file into a folder. In Drive, right-click the file, select Move To, choose the folder where it belongs, and click Move. A consistent folder structure makes teamwork and search much easier. Finally, share the file to collaborate. Click the Share button, enter the email addresses of your collaborators, and set their access level to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on what they need to do. When you're ready, click Send to share the file instantly. That's it. Quick, clear, and organized file creation across Google Workspace.